3, read the statement very carefully. To conduct sports day activities in rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. In a sports day activity, this is rectangular shaped garden. Lines like this have been drawn with chalk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like these numbers, and on y-axis, that is vertical axis, flower pots have been arranged at a distance of 1 meter. There are two students. First student is running in row 2 and second student is running in the row number 8, and they have to post the flag they have in their hands, green flag and red flag. They have to post this flag. Now Niharika is the first person. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. This is the distance AD, and Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance and on the second line, and the second person Preet runs 1/5. This person at 8th position, it runs the distance 1/5 on the 8th line. What is the distance between both the flags? Now first of all, understand the coordinates. For first person Niharika, x coordinate is 2 because she is running in second row, and we have to find y coordinate. It is given that she runs 1/4 of the distance AD, and AD distance is 100 meters. Second person Preet, he runs in 8th row, so x coordinate will be 8. Now Niharika posted the flag at 1/4 distance. So 1/4 of AD, total AD distance is 100 meter. So 1/4 of 100 is 25. And she is running in second row. So coordinates will be 2, 25. 2 for second row and 25 is the distance on y-axis. Now similarly for Preet. Preet is running in 8th row. So x coordinate will be 8, and he runs 1/5 of AD. 1/5 of AD distance is 100. After cancelling you will get 20. So y coordinate for Preet is 20 and x coordinate is 8. So coordinates for Preet is given by 8, 20. Now we have to find the distance between their flags. That means you have to find the distance between these two coordinates, 2, 25 and 8, 20. We know the distance formula, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So under root 8 minus 2 whole square and 25 minus 20 whole square. 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36. 25 minus 20 is 5 and 5 square is 25. We get the distance under root 61 meter. This is the distance between two flags. Also it is given in the question, Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining two flags. So there is third person Rashmi. She has to place the flag in between at the midpoint of the line joining these two flags. So you have to find the coordinates for Rashmi's flag. Now Rashmi posted her blue flag in the midpoint of the line joining. So let the coordinates be x, y. We have learned midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divide by 2 and y1 plus y2 divide by 2. X coordinate x1 plus x2. Here x1 is 2 and x2 is 8. So 2 plus 8 divided by 2, and y coordinate y1 plus y2 divided by 2. 25 plus 20 divided by 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 25 plus 20 is 45. 45 divided by 2, 22.5. So coordinates for Rashmi, x coordinate 5 and y coordinate 22.5. That means Rashmi posted the flag in 5th row or 5th line and at a distance 22.5 meters.